Hello world! So if you want to have pasabay with me here in Hong Kong, ito yung mga shoes na available dito sa store nila guys. All are authentic, kaya ano pag inaantay ninyo, screenshot lang kayo kapag may nagustuhan na kayo and mag-comment below or DM me for more info guys. Ayan po. Meron tayong New Balance. Syempre, kompleto po yan. May New Balance. Meron tayong mga Jordan basketball shoes. Any kind of shoes available po yan here in Hong Kong pasabay. So, don't forget to screenshot and send PM. Kaya ano pang inaantay ninyo? Enjoy shopping, guys!